Women are constantly breaking barriers and pushing past stereotypes to become influential figures in male-dominated fields. In our Successful Fijian tonight, we feature a young Vanuatu lass who joined the Royal Australian Navy as a communications information system sailor in 2015 at the age of 23. Koroi Tandulala with this story.
Once again,
29-year-old Michelle Valea grew up in Asinu and was deployed on Indian Pacific Endeavour in 2017 and 2019 and the Rim of the Pacific multinational exercise in Hawaii in 2018.
So we moved from Suva when I was 9 years old to Brisbane and grew up in Brisbane from 9 up until I was 23 and just decided to do something, choose a different career path as opposed to I was working in telco and just wanted something a bit more exciting, a bit more adventurous and something I could travel with. So the Navy was a good choice.
Valea says since the pandemic in late 2019, she wasn't able to visit her relatives in Fiji. However, she was able to return to the country earlier this year through ADF.
Yeah, it's a very rewarding experience. Like never in my life did I think that I would be coming here to do this and just to be called upon to be able to come and help fellow brothers and sisters of Fiji. It's been a great opportunity and a very, very rewarding experience, definitely.
Valea, who is a leading seaman, was deployed as part of the Operation Bushfire Assist in 2019 and 2020. She was among the 6 Fijians in the ADF crew who were part of Operation Fiji Assist earlier this year, and it was her first humanitarian assistance and disaster relief mission within the Southwest Pacific region.
I think that there's nothing that men can do that women can't do, and yeah, definitely if it's something that you want to do or if it's a goal of yours, definitely pursue it because it's a very rewarding career path, definitely.
The leading seaman is encouraging young women and girls to pursue their dreams and not to limit their potential. Koroi Tandulala, FBC News.